Now if you see the uniform function over here, this is just like random, but instead of giving integers it just gives you floats. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna replace this whole string and this whole thing. I'm just gonna take it off, just keep it k, and k will now be uniform 0 to 1, and I'm gonna take 3 variables for RGB, and in Python the RGB is a tuple with RGB values ranging from 0 to 1. If I do this, I should get random colored variables, circles. Let me see that. Okay, this is happening for some reason, I don't know why. Let me check that out. So I'm just gonna name this as K and make this a tuple, and let me see, I think it should go now. Okay, see, that is gone. So now I have these colors. Now for example, if I want to fill these up, I just have to put fill instead of plot, and it should give me, yes, exactly, it gave me randomly colored and randomly spaced circles. Now the last thing to do is for the scale. Okay, now I'm gonna put a scale variable here, and okay, randomly scale. So S will be uniform from 0 to 0.1 to, let's just put it 1.5. right? Now I'm gonna multiply this with S, leave it a little space so that Python knows that we're multiplying these two, and this should also work. Now let me try and hitting that, and as you can see, I've produced different colored, different sized circles at various points. Okay, now that is all good. What else can we do now? You can actually just combine this with plot, and it will again give you a different set of colors actually. So I'm just gonna put this as K1, put this as K1. I mean, it's not necessary, but you can do that. This again gives us a different kind of graph. As you can see, the line colors or something and the face colors or something, so that's also good. And you can make more of these as how many as ever you wish, and that's all cool. And is there anything else you can do? We've changed the colors, we've changed the spaces, and we've changed the sizes. So I think this pretty much covered everything I wanted to show, I mean what I learned. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. Oh yeah, actually there is one more thing that I can add here. Remember I told you that the step is going to be important. Now try changing the step size. Now if I'm going to make this 7, now I should be getting hexagons instead of circles. Now let me run that and see. Oh, I'm getting triangles. That's a different shape than I imagined. Okay, where did I do this? Okay, this is correct. And everything seems to be going good. Let me just erase all the variables and try again. Oh, it's still circles. Sorry, triangles. Let me put this to 10. Oh wow, I did not expect this and I am not disappointed. I just have to look into what this is. So this pretty much seems straightforward, or is this the one that is messing it up? No, I don't think this would have any effect, but yeah, just for the heck of it. Oh, I think this was the effect. Okay, so instead of this, I'm just gonna give it 6. I think now I should get a pentagon. See? Now I do get pentagons. Okay, so instead of this, if I do this, I should get squares. Yeah, tilted squares or rhombuses. That's also good. This is just to show that a circle is just a very big polygon. I mean, a polygon with too many sides. And if I hit it 4, I should get triangles now. Yep, I've got them inverted. So I just have to make this 0 to pi. I think that should tilt them. Let me just do this. Just do that. Oh wow, this is something else entirely. And I am really impressed. It's just how you know that some programs are working and some are not. Okay, see, 0 to 2 pi, and in the size of steps, you get your basics, your triangles. Okay, cool. Now, if you want all of these triangles to completely fit in this area, all you have to do is the maximum value of their random value should be subtracted from these axes, and it should give you that. And anyway, I just wanted to, you know what, I'm just gonna make a bunch of hexagons. I love hexagons, so I'm just gonna make some hexagons. I don't like fill that much, so I'm gonna block these two out, and I'm just gonna give this 50. So that means now I have 500 hexagons, and I'm just gonna watch play. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video.